All right, so Bitcoin outlook, how do we trade it next week? All right, so coming here sa 4 hour time frame, no, we spotted a downtrend channel which nagkaroon nga siya ng breakout. So from here, we had another confluence here, RSI, which is we spotted then yung bullish divergence. And as we zoom out sa daily time frame, and there was a previous resistance here turned support na if we are going to draw a Fibonacci line here all the way to the top, it's actually bouncing at 61.8 or the golden ratio. So we're actually not expecting a total reversal of Bitcoin. We're just expecting a more of a bounce, no? So probably going back to 71,000 Bitcoin, targeting the larger downtrend channel. Okay, so this is our trade idea last week, which is materializing na. Nagmamaterialize na siya. So far, it's still bearish. It's still bearish, but the sentiment is slowly shifting. And yun yan, no, it's moving like gold. Itong si Bitcoin. So for now, there's still hawkish Federal Reserve giving us elevated dollar, no, stronger dollar, and also there are a lot of outflows from Bitcoin and rotating into AI and equities. So that's more of the fundamental side of Bitcoin. Pero we are just expecting it to have a bounce here, limited upside bullish from our entry here sa 61,000. And so far, it went up to as high as 63,000. So if you have the right lot size, it's actually big enough and you can take all the profits from there. And yeah, if you are going to hold this and take this position, then you can hold it probably until the 71,000, which is um, a strong resistance as well. And so it may touch itong ah, resistance na to, no? Yung mas malaking channel. Okay? So for now, over the weekend, walang masyadong galaw. It just went up to as high as 63,500. So the trade idea, the trade signal that we sent sa ating Telegram community is still intact. And if you are holding this and not taking the profits from there, then I suggest that you put the stop. No? Taas lang natin, lagay natin sa break-even level, so that anything happens, the worst case scenario would be zero, no, or break-even lang. So that's it for our Bitcoin outlook. So I hope nakatulong ito. And also, I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community where we provide trade ideas and trade signals there. Nandiyan na yung link yan sa bio natin. See you there.